Hi, I'm Legendary Anchorman Ron Burgundy. I'm here today in Dublin's Kevin Street.
Okay, today I'm showing you our Heaven and Hell. Hell is on the left hand side.
That's where the bold celebrities go for being bold.
At the back there we've got Heaven.
Some pretty cool celebrities in there. At the gate we have the one and only St. Peter, Chuck Norris. And then our conveyor is our stairway to heaven. It does exist. Then we have our celebrities. We've got Patrick Swayze, Jade Goody, Michael Jackson, Bruce Lee, Heath Ledger, Adolf Hitler, Stephen Gately, Mahatma Gandhi, and Steve Irwin. Okay, and now just before we see the conveyor start, we're going to get our very own celebrity, Stephen Hawking, to show us how it works, being that he is a scientist.
Ready, go!
I will show you the conveyor starting. Come on, conveyor, start. If you are looking for trouble, you have found it.
Okay, now that we have the conveyor starting, we will be seeing our dead celebrities.
Okay, we're going to hand you over to Cecil the bouncer. Okay, Cecil, let's pick a celebrity. Oh, he's going for Jackson. He's going for Jackson. Well, Wacko, Jacko, get in here. Jacko is a much loved celebrity. He did molest a child. He's in. Jacko's in. Okay, Cecil, it's another celebrity. It's another celebrity. Oh, he's going for Hitler. This guy killed the Jews. This guy killed 1 million people, including the Jews. Okay. Oh, Hitler's down. Oh, he's going for Swayze. He's got Swayze in there. Dirty Dancing was not a good film, but Ghost, it had its advantages. But did you get Swayze? Gately, he was a homosexual, but he was a pretty cool guy. What's going to happen here? Oh, he's in. Gately's in. Okay, it's another celebrity. It's Jade Goody. Not really a celebrity. Waste of space if you ask me. Oh, in the face! In the face! Oh, we've got Heath Ledger. Heath Ledger coming in here. Okay, Cecil, he seems to be stuck. Give him a hand. He's in there now. Heath Ledger. Famed for playing the Joker in the Batman films. Oh, he's in. Chuck seemed to like this guy. And now we got Steve Irwin. Crikey! Crikey, he looks like he's going to kick me. Oh, crikey! Oh, don't do it, Sheila! Oh, Sheila! And now we've got Mahatma Gandhi. Famed for his peace-loving antics. Chuck Norris does not like peace. Now we got Bruce Lee, Chuck Norris's old arch nemesis. Will he let Bruce Lee in? That's for kicking Chuck Norris in the face. Nobody kicks Chuck Norris in the face. Now we're going to see Susan Boyle going in here. Sue Boyle going in. Oh, it stopped. She seems to be too heavy. Oh, Sue Boyle's going through here. Oh, she's not actually dead. Stop it. He's got to stop it. She's not actually dead. Oh, she just looked dead. She's ugly. Take her off. Take her off, Cecil. She's ugly. Apologies, Chuck.
And there we have it, folks. All our celebrities in. If you think it was fair, I'd like you to leave a comment on our video on YouTube. If you think it was fair, let us know. We want your feedback. Stay classy, San Diego. Hi. Once again, I'm Ron Burgundy. I hope you enjoyed our video. And if you don't think this video is the greatest video ever, I will fight you. That's no lie. Stay classy, San Diego.